from growth, childhood, from development. Again, you can. The forum is not based on it's build a policy
Okay.
And guiding each other in terms of main issues and into space analysis, there's financial abuse, there's emotional abuse. We are abused as men, but we are not being taken serious. Even our laws, like South Africa, they are not giving any privilege to Tina Amatota. It's all about fathers and everything. That's we are part of growing the nation. It comes back to say again, there are a lot of issues as it's not all about gender violence, even the drug, and understand that, and also the empowering of each other, and also our community as such. Because of remember, so we need to guide each other, sharing our knowledge, and a lot. You understand?
Yeah, so basically it's not even about Luisaba fathers.
Yeah.
Because that's why many people remember with my city.
Nizamukhile lento le bathi indoda ayikhali basically.
Programs, psychological programs, programs ezizomotivate ama-gents akhuthaze ney'mili zawo than ukuthi awashaye but make a better family for wonke umuntu usi-enjoy, yabo. So sizokhala la size nama-solution and hayi ukuthi sekuthi unoyihambo uyenzani.
Kunjibizwa ngani? Madoda Wednesday.
Yeah, Madoda Wednesday.
Hayi, number one. Thank you for it. So this initiative for me, I honestly feel izosiza abachitapaya. Abapaya bethu siyakhala ne mara champisi because manje sisemachitini kuba igwarakwara. Awusakwazi
bese bengithi kunamanye amajitani abanye sithi amadoda
asiyeke le ngiyakuzwa but mina I like the fact ukuthi a lot of it's something I always say nasespanini because ngi-team leader yabo always say ukuthi guys nina machita ngithanda ukuthatha kakhulu and you'll need to also voice out. Nikhumbuleni ukuthi at the first you are a human being before you are male or female. You're a human being. So your emotions will always be there. You understand? So in anything that you do, in everything that you facing, sometimes you need to cry. You need to tell the next person. But because sina machita sinalento lokuthi mangabo hethekile sizokuhleka uzube right. You understand? Sometimes you need to voice out without umuntu akuhleka or umuntu akujudge in a certain way. You understand? About being bethu, they are financially abused out here. Amachitapaya, they financially abused.
And we don't talk about it.
We don't.
And that thing is color from India. Because of there are a lot of expectations from a man. And men are not supported.
Yes.
Firstly. So we need to come up with ideas and also to policies that will emphasize
yes.
More than because of if you check right now, I'll make an honest when there's a case a rape or out rape chair.
Yeah.
Who do you see marching or by court? Only women. You see men also, okay?
Yeah, bro.
We are also supportive.
Yes.
But have ever seen women supporting, only saying, no, enough is enough about our men.
I equal my campaign where they're fighting for men, you know. Indoda kwamele ihlezi iqinile.
You know me ngitheni when I first understood this.
Yeah, also you need more coaches.
Yeah.
So that we can empower each other and empower like
and when we start looking at ourselves and solving ourselves.
Abona le statement bathi kulikhulu kuba indoda. Siyakhuluma leso statement. And kakhulukazi we don't have each other's backs as much as we say we have each other's backs.
Have time.
You understand?
To give back.
Sasa mangangena lo inkinga kusasa.
Like for now,
yokujiye wonke umuntu yokujiye. Nala machita lawa bokufanga ukuthi astande nawo. Ayazi situation ithela ifini indoda yatrek. Indoda inokubhayizisela.
Ngiyabona hlangene namachita nintwana. Understand? Amanzi akhona intwana or yabona into efana lezo. Yabona ama people now or ibhola nyana. Such things it takes money.
This was
we need to invest.
What is it?
Yeah, understand. And
because now
we
define it
fail because of we are same parents.